Good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lucy Baby Mommy Vlogger based in Italy. So, guys, we are making pancake. We are in holidays. Hooray! Today is festa. And the festa di cosa? Festa di liberazione. So my children are in the house, you know. So let's make pancake. I think we'll be using this. This one is for baby Alex. So she's adding baking powder. Our chef. So guys, you know, NJ, I tested her pancake. You know, that's why I told her to make a pancake this morning, because she knows how to do pancake very well. Now work online, I copying the online. But the one she did last come out so yummy, and she didn't know how to do pancake. Even Chinedu. 3 of them, they know how to make pancake very well, very well. It tastes very last. Very sweet. You like it bruciate. Che con la lune. Spaghetti with pomodoro. So guys, I made onubu soup. Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel, Lucy Baby Mommy Vlogger based in Italy. So so guys, this is the next day. Today is Sunday, but I did not go to church, me and baby Alex, because I'm not feeling fine, you know. So only my honey and my grown-up children. I'm making video. So only honey and my grown-up children went to church. So right now, this morning I wake up very early. I cook onubu soup for honey. So right now I want to make a ofoliro stew. Yes, that Yoruba stew now with red oil, then with white rice. So I'm about to make our lunch. So stay tuned. You will like this video. So let me blend with my new blender. I will call it new blender because where I'm working, my madam gave it to me, you know. since how many months now? Going to 6 months. I haven't used it, so I said let me try it. You know, first time using it. So here I have my veggies, you know, red pepper, yellow pepper, and the onions, and garlic and pepper, and some fresh tomatoes. Not that much, just 4, you know. So that my hand is clean. So let's blend. It's our new blender. Correct. Wow, voila. That is where I want it. You know, chop onions, chop pepper. I love it. I love my new blender. Can you see how chop? Mamma mia. I like it, I like it, I like it. So it's la regalatopina.
La regalatopina? Ma davvero?
Sì, sì.
Ma come fa?
Yeah, you even have the one for if you want to mix your pasta, if you want to your juice, you know. She have this thing have a three step. My thing is 3 step. I also add this one. Let me finish it. So guys, let me show you. Can you see how? Yeah. The one I have is very small. Oh, I remove it from the. This one is bigger. I love it.
What are you?
I'm done.
Okay.
So guys, my children, they just Angel and Chidima and the children, they are back from church. So guys, here I have my chicken. So guys, here I have my garlic. Alright. Fino. Erba di cipolla. Not coming up. Oops, I'm so troppo. So flavor, mixed flavor. Salt small, just a little bit. So I'll be using this one for my sauce. Okay. I'll add my red oil. Chidi, what can you see now? Yes, I got. Mama, on a la. The oil is sleeping. Okay, yes, yeah. On a la. Oh, Nigerian oil. Okay. That's small, eh? I have this, what do they call it? Ogili Yoruba, AJC, that's stew. But in Tinia, they will not eat it. Familiar, so I will not be eating it. Now, what did I get the baby? Then I'll add little groundnut oil so that the color will change to belly. Okay. Okay. I wrap with the one called Wamelo. Say hello.
Hello.
Look what I do. What is it? So let me add onions. No, I've already blended. I blended even my onions together. So I blend everything together. So I want to add my chicken in the oven. The oven. As in the oven. Okay, I think only one. One is okay. But it's here on the cut. No, no. One is not okay. What? Keep this one first. It's 6 chicken. Okay. Sure. Yeah, so we'll be putting
Hello.
3 cups. 3 cups. So let me check my sauce. Soon the Yoruba food will start. We get the rice. Yoruba stew. I'm not gonna miss it. So I'm using no. For my children's food, I'm using Italian Maggi. They call it DAG. So I'm using one of it. Cinnamon. We're not using egg, just chicken. Only chicken. Hey, Mba, I got funny photo. Don't move again. This is my meat stock. Okay. Okay, so here I have my white rice. So I will cover. Wrap it there for suko. Continue watching. The oil is too much. But the red oil is too much. I'll remove some oil. I hope they will like it. I added small crayfish, small. I'm another taste, yes. So that is. So let's share everything. Okay. Can you see it? The food is ready. Jujam can get sweet when you soup it down. I was sipping and I was really use this thing because I was this too maybe. So we will be using this. And make a day off one. Okay. Just small. So baby, let's say you want it this right like this. I will put only meat. I should put stew. Yeah?
Mommy.
Hmm?
Mommy. Perché tu hai messo?
Yeah?
Tu hai messo?
Look at when they leaning. Can you imagine? Maybe Alex, sit down with her.